So check this out. If you've ever needed to shut off power to an outlet or light fixture, you know how frustrating it can be trying to figure out which breaker controls it. Now, I was sent this circuit breaker finder tool by the brand, and I decided to test it out around my house. As you can see, I started by plugging the transmitter into an outlet in my kitchen. Then I took the receiver over to my circuit breaker panel outside to see if it could identify the correct breaker. Right here, you can see me scanning the breakers. One thing I like is that it takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. When I got to the correct breaker, the tool was able to identify the circuit I was testing, making it much easier than flipping breakers one at a time and checking outlets afterward. Another feature I like is that it also functions as an outlet tester. The display provides useful information, including voltage readings and wiring status. I also spent some time using the included adapters. One of my favorites is the light socket adapter because it allowed me to find the breaker connected to a light fixture as well. For me, the biggest benefit is convenience. Instead of spending time guessing which breaker controls a circuit, this tool helps make the process faster and easier. If you're looking for a circuit breaker finder that can also test outlets and help identify wiring issues, this is definitely one worth checking out.